Does your baby have reflux? If you're looking for practical ways to help your baby, have you considered learning some baby massage and reflexology techniques? Massage helps babies with reflux by calming their central nervous system. Babies with reflux may be quite distressed and in pain, and whilst we can't massage the specific muscle that's responsible for reflux, massaging their whole body will improve muscle coordination, and massage strokes will stimulate the nervous system, helping your baby to activate relaxation responses and pain-relieving hormones. My name's Lucy Johns. I'm a qualified baby massage, reflexology and yoga instructor, and I've created this fun and comprehensive online course for you to learn how to massage your baby, give them reflexology and practice baby yoga movements with them to calm, relax, relieve and soothe their symptoms. The course comes with a practical illustrated guide and a whole dedicated Happy Tummies routine, which is a mix of massage and yoga that you can do every day that will empower you to feel like you're doing something really practical and very positive to help your baby and you and your family. There is so much more on the course to benefit you and your baby in terms of relaxation, sleep, relieving pain, and also just to have a lovely bonding, fun and nurturing time together. So if this sounds like something that's going to help you and your baby, click on the link and I'll see you there soon. Little massage with the legs. So